Extreme companies like AM Solar are always trying to get you to camp more.
AM Solar supported thousands of DIY customers with custom diagrams, email, and phone support. Their business model offers competitive pricing and even free consultations.
Boondocking, glamping, overlanding, off-grid adventuring.
When will it end? Even worse, AM Solar is supported by large corporations like Victron, Zamp, and LifeBlue.
Google reviewers confusing AM Solar with another company have called it too expensive, but AM Solar only seems to care about quality. AM Solar and its dealers are endorsed by RV park deniers, July 4th campers, and outdoor loyalists. It's time for change. Give your RV the power to unplug.
DIYers can't afford not to keep AM Solar at the top.
Paid for by friends of AM Solar. Visit AM Solar Oregon on Instagram to learn more.